Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of vitamin B6 and showing you some delicious foods that are packed with this essential nutrient. Trust me, you're gonna love adding these to your diet. First up, we have chickpeas. These little legumes are not just for hummus, folks. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of vitamin B6. Just 1 cup can give you over 50% of your daily requirement. Toss them into salads, soups, or even roast them for a crunchy snack. Easy and tasty. Next on the list is salmon. If you're a seafood lover, you're in luck. Salmon is not only rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but also a fantastic source of vitamin B6. A 3-ounce serving can provide you with about 30% of your daily intake. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it in sushi. The options are endless. Don't forget about chicken breast. It's a versatile protein that's also packed with vitamin B6. A single serving gives you nearly 30% of what you need in a day. Whether it's grilled, baked, or stir-fried, chicken breast is a staple that can fit into any meal plan. Now, for something green spinach. This leafy veggie is more than just a salad base. Spinach is loaded with nutrients, including vitamin B6. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you around 20% of your daily needs. Add it to smoothies, omelets, or simply sauté it with garlic. Your body will thank you. Want a sweet treat that's good for you? Bananas are a must. They're not only convenient and delicious, but also rich in vitamin B6. 1 medium banana provides about 20% of your daily requirement. Snack on them as they are, blend them into smoothies, or use them in baking. It's all good. Last but not least, let's talk about potatoes. Both white and sweet potatoes are excellent sources of vitamin B6. 1 medium potato can offer you around 20% of your daily intake. Bake them, mash them, or turn them into fries. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. Chickpeas, salmon, chicken breast, spinach, bananas, and potatoes. All fantastic sources of vitamin B6. Incorporate these into your meals, and you'll be boosting your health in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone!